What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is legendary Rocco HO, old school in the boxes like orange and sky blue color, made in Austria, BR17 Deutsche Reichsbahn. Love this model. Pure analog. I figure out how already change bulbs to LEDs. This is in the tender, and we'll come back to the tender very soon. And I figure out how to do the lights. So it will be 2 locomotives on consist pulling about 8 passenger cars. Very cool. So both with sound decoder. I have 2 options right now. I have concern about like contacts. The front, the boiler, the contacts, very good. Means I have no issues. The problem with the contacts in the tender, will come back to it. So option number 1, this is MX Zimo decoder, and this is also MX decoder, which is capable to connect capacitor, like for energy storage. Those, unfortunately, they just not doing it. We'll talk about MS decoders in a second. So MX, original plan. So I'm cutting this a little bit here, weight, and putting that decoder here, like that. Okay, plenty of space. I'm not gonna lose a lot of weight, so it will be fine. Second option, because of contact issue, using this decoder with like 2 pads to connect capacitor, it's a little bit different than power pack from ESU. You can control that time, but this is just pure storage, energy storage. So modify weight a little bit more, still will be fine, like using that decoder like that, okay, and putting capacitor in this area like this up front, and the Rocco speaker. I know, Alexander, you always suggesting me very good stuff, but unfortunately I just cannot find that here in the States. Yeah, that Rocco speaker, I'm very happy. It's very good for me and for my customer. So we'll go to really quick to Zimo manual. Yeah, who likes to read the manual? No, I'm just gonna show you something. So we're using Windows Capture. On page 18 of MS sound decoders, the physics still the same. Means after 15 years of development and stuff, it didn't change much, the size. So a little bit shorter, and you can put capacitor here, right? But you still need the space. It's more expensive, of course. However, there are small models. I'll show you in this next page, like MS491 basic, because they have different outputs, means plugs or wires. You still need this unit and capacitors, which is a little bit bigger, my understanding, because this is size of the MX decoder. And we'll just scroll a little bit down, and I'll show you the Zimo new technology for MS decoders. Stay alive. Yeah, so that's your decoder, the smallest one, and that's your special unit. Then you connect to the, see, I'm not really gaining any space, so I still need and it will be a bunch of extra wires, you know. So going back to the video, top camera, and I'm happy with this old technology. They are very good pickups here. So it's 1, 2, 3 on each wheel, on each side, I should say. Then what I'm not happy about the tender, I already removed them. Let's move that stuff out. And the decoders. So here we go. This is rear. Yeah, this is rear. It's a engine forward moving like this. C traction tires, right, because that's the motor here and everything moving. Okay, actually this way. Yeah, very solid, very hard, very heavy. So original, those flimsy, again, 30 years old technology, guys, flimsy pickups like here, 1 and 2. Yeah, I don't think so even you can get them. They probably discontinued, especially when Rocco got Fleischmann, because they're going to use Fleischmann technology, and Fleischmann technology is a little bit different. We'll talk some other time. So I'm going to replace those with ESU. Just need a little bit modified. It's very solid plastic. It means it's very thick, about 3 millimeters here. So I can use small screw, maybe 2. Yeah. And mount these guys here, 1 and 2. This is, and I can replace them later if something that shouldn't do anything, because I use them in the cars already and they are great. So very sturdy, yeah, and thick. So that's the plan. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership.